Hello and welcome to another video on chemistry by Perfect Scores. I'm Preetinder Kaur, and in this video we are focusing on the topic of precision, accuracy and uncertainty. So in measurement, precision and accuracy are two very important factors that show us how valid or how dependable or reliable a measurement is. So precision is basically the reliability of the experiment, or in other words, how much replicable it is. What if another person does the same experiment? Will he or she be able to get the same result or not? So the reliability or reproducibility of an experiment and its measure. Accuracy actually shows that how close the measurement is to the known value. Let's say you are trying to measure the speed of light, and you know what is the known value of speed of light. So you see that is your measurement matching the known value or not. If it's not matching, means it's not accurate. And if the closer it matches, the more accurate your own measurements are. So let's take a few examples. Let's say you are taking some kind of experiment where you measure the boiling point of water. Let's say you record these three values. One is 96.8 degrees Celsius. One is 96.9 degrees Celsius. And the third one is 97 degrees Celsius. Now these figures are highly reproducible. That means you get a similar result and they're really close. So you get a similar result every time. That means it is really precise. But you know that the actual answer is 100 degrees Celsius. The actual boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. That means it's not completely accurate. However, it is having some kind of accuracy. So in this example, we can show that there might be inaccuracies or there might be an error in measurement, but it is really precise because you get the same result again and again. Now, what about uncertainty? Let's discuss a little about what uncertainty means. So uncertainty, as the name suggests, you're not sure whether you got the right answer or not. Now, uncertainty is usually dependent on one or both of these two factors. The first factor is what kind of limitations the measuring instrument has. So every measuring instrument has some kind of limitation, some drawbacks due to which it cannot give 100% correct result every time. So those are limitations of the instrument. And secondly, human involved. So the human skill is the second factor that can affect uncertainty, because some kind of human skill is involved and human errors are always possible. So that is the limitation of an instrument. Let's say it was not properly marked. Let's say you're measuring the volume and this should actually represent 90 ml and this should actually represent 100 ml. But the instrument is wrongly marked, and the marking for 90 ml is actually over here and the marking for 100 ml is actually over here. There's not a proper gap between the different markings. So that would be a limitation of the instrument. However, let's say you are trying to measure the value, and let's say the value was still here. So this is let's say the level of the liquid, and you should have been watching, your eye should have been over here while you were watching so that you get an accurate view, but you were watching from here, and that is why, because of human skill, you got a wrong reading. So those are the two kinds of factors that can associate with uncertainty. And that is all that we will be covering in this video. You just need to have a little view of what are these three things and how are they different from each other. So precision, accuracy, and uncertainty. Thank you so much for watching this video.